I'm Jeff Wilson, CEO of Extreme Engineering. Extreme Engineering is a company that we build thrill rides historically. We've been in business for approximately 20 years. We're Northern California based. We've now expanded into our manufacturing in Eastern Texas because it's just a lot easier to be closer to our customer base. We're at the IAAPA exhibition, 1.6 million square feet of just happiness and new product. We're here to demonstrate our brand new roller coaster, entering into the segment between zip lines and the big roller coasters. It's a Grand Canyon size gap and we intend to fill it. The Cloud Coaster, what it is, it's a cartless coaster. What it does is all the things that you would imagine a traditional roller coaster to do. It has lift mechanisms, brake mechanisms, curves, straights. It's completely configurable and completely scalable. What do I mean by that? You can add the doodads, the lifts, the brakes, the curves. That's configurable. Scalable. You can make it as big as you want. For example, you could take you from a parking lot to the amusement park instead of a tram. It could go through a forest to give you an eco tour, or it can just give you a thrill of your life at high speeds and curves. It's up to the imagination of the end user and our engineers to put the pieces together of this railroad track. My customer base that would use this would be anybody from, say, a zoo that wants to get a tour. Somebody wants to just simply move people from a shopping mall parking lot into the mall. Or an amusement operator. Somebody may have limited space, for example, in a building on the floor, but lots of ceiling space. We hang it from the ceiling, utilizing that space above that otherwise would be unutilized. I even had someone today talk to me about a shopping mall experience, so people could be elevated above the crowds during Christmas and actually take a ride around the shopping mall. New entrance to that market, but fun as it is. Safety. You know, gravity can be our friend or gravity can be our enemy. But it is relentless. It never takes a day off, never takes a vacation. So we've used gravity to our advantage. One, we have an automatic braking system that we call MBS, magnetic braking system. What's unique about it is that there is no friction plates, nothing to wear out. The longevity of these brakes is calculated to be somewhere between 300 and 500 years. So that's not a maintenance problem that we'll be worrying about, at least during this generation. The other thing that we do is a lift system that comfortably and adequately raises the guest from whatever lower level to the upper level. We call that potential energy turning into kinetic energy or moving. Again, both gravity things. One we use as our favor to get a great ride. The other one we slow down so that somebody doesn't wind up in trouble. But either way, we design it to be thrilling, functional, and safe. This is a 4-day show here at IAAPA. We've now gone through about a day and a half. Our first day was exhilarating. We won first place as best booth of 1,200 square feet and above, which is a real honor. We're going against really good professionals. So when you win an award in competition with those great professionals and competition, you have to be happy. The other thing about it is we're having guests come in from all sorts of markets, whether it be a family entertainment center, a large amusement park, a zoo. In fact, yesterday we arranged several meetings with probably 5 zoos that will be meeting us today. Children, after lunch, I've noticed that the parents are giving us a good sign-off. We call that the "Mommy, I want to" sign. The kid asks, "Mommy, can I?" And Mommy looks at it and goes, "Yeah, yes or no." We're getting the yes. I'm happy about that. So we have about 20 kids at any moment waiting in line to do this brand new ride. So the customers have ranged quite a bit, from people who are making a capital investment to little kids who just want to have a good day. Well, I think any company is always defined by its customer base. Often you would like to define it by what you do. I think it's far more important to understand who you service. After 20 years of that attitude, we just keep growing. So our customer base ranges from Disney NASA, entrepreneurs, and the list just keeps going on. We're also expanding well into the resort industry. So customers like Holiday Inn Resorts, those are now some of our biggest and freshest and newest clients. You can find us on the web, or you can give us a direct call. We'd love to see about your project, your aspirations, and help you fill your dreams as best we can.